Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the environment. Open Mobile Legends and leave it running in the background, then return to your home screen. Once done, press and hold an empty area to access widgets. Make sure widgets are allowed by your launcher. If your launcher hides widgets, switch to a stock launcher temporarily. You need at least one free home page and sufficient battery to avoid interruptions, because the widget creation process writes a shortcut that requires app permissions. Next, locate the Mobile Legends widget in the widget panel and drag it onto the free home screen. You'll see a placement grid. Position it deliberately so it won't overlap icons. After dropping, resize if allowed. This determines what information or shortcuts the widget exposes. If the widget asks for permissions like overlay or notifications, grant them now. These let the widget show offers, events, or quick launch buttons. Make sure you tap Confirm so the widget saves its settings to the launcher. Finally, open Mobile Legends and navigate to widget or shortcut options to customize which modules appear. You can pick events, quick play, or store links. Once configured, test the widget by tapping each button to confirm it launches correctly. If it appears blank or disappears, restart your phone first. If that fails, clear the app cache or reinstall the game while keeping your account linked. One key tip: always back up account credentials before reinstalling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.